So let's talk about software. So there are three project management softwares that I recommend that's out there, and they all are different, very different, and it's reflective in the price. So you have Contractor Foreman with one of my clients that's on the call uses that. Red Team Flex, which is the one I've used the most, and then also Procore, which I've used and other companies I've worked with have used. Now that's the most expensive one, but I think it depends on where you are with the company and the projects that you're working on. Okay, but if you are doing GC work, literally working every trade or nearly every trade, if you are growing and you need to house everything in one spot, uh, I would say it depends. But if you want to tie in your pre-construction systems into Red Team and your hard bidding and all that, I would say use Red Team. If you're not really that sophisticated and you just need kind of like a high level view of what's happening, I would say go to Contractors Foreman. Now, I think once you get over probably about 15, 20 million, you're probably going to need to go to Procore. Okay. So that's just kind of just my overview. So the first thing you want to do as you're starting the job, you got to make sure your software is set up right. So you got to invite users specifically on Red Team, right? So you can have 20 people in the company, but not all 20 going to automatically have access to that project. So you got to invite those users, confirm their permissions. What do they have access to? Upload your project documents. That's almost always the first thing. Load your schedule of values. Okay. Your schedule of values is each line item, and I will always recommend it corresponds to the contracts that you're writing. I'm going to say that again. This is the teaching moment. You'll thank me later. I promise you, you will thank me later. Do not manipulate your schedule of values to be numbers you want them to be. Use your actual subcontract amounts. Use your actual subcontract amounts.